I am Antush Braganza. Last Thursday, म्हजे फ्रेंडान म्हाका आपयलो आपणाचे फेस्त पळोवपाक यो म्हणून. तो एवरी थर्सडे मरे बिरेस्ताराचे 6 to 9 तो प्रोग्राम करता थिंगा ऑपोजिट सांत बाप्टिस्ट चर्च पिलेन चर्चीच्या ग्राउंडार. तो एक स्टेजीर कोणेंय सोंगां म्हणप. आतां तेदूच तेणें हें दवरलेलें आल्फेरोजाचें, आमच्या आल्फेरोजाचें. सो कोणेंय थिंगा वचून आल्फेरोजाचें सोंगां म्हणपाक जाता पोन्नी, आनी ताका प्रायजूय आहलें. आनीक ते एक इम्पॉर्टंट. आनी दुसरें तेणें थिंगा फेस्त लायता तो, आनी हे अशें तो एवरी थर्सडे करता बिरेस्ताराच्या बिरेस्तारा. कोणूय तुमी वचोंक ना जाल्यार वयचें आनी पळोवचें. व्हेरी गूड, टू गूड. आनी हुंयसान लोक येता जाणा तुमी. आतां हांव तेदूस पळय गेलो न्हू, म्हाका 2 जाण फेवून मेळ्ळे नुयेंचे आनी एकलो मडगांवचो. आनी हुंयसान लोक येयले रे. लोटलेचो एक कोण येयल्लो. लोक येता पयसून, पण आमी लागीं आहा तांकां तितली खबर ना. आनी तो पळय असलें दाखयलां न्हू तेणें, ताका फरेंच बालोर. आनी ताका तुमी सगळे वखद आसतले. ताका सगळे म्हणटा बाबा मारियो, तेजें नांव मारियोस, बट ताका सगळे वखदा म्हटल्यार गोंयचो फेस्ताकार. गोंयचो फेस्ताकार म्हटल्यार कोणूच वखना म्हणना. सगळे तियात्रीस आनी म्युझिकच्यान आनी सगळे वखदा ताका. इज फेमस एज गोंयचो फेस्ताकार. म्हणजे तो कितें करता एवरी थर्सडे बिरेस्ताराचे थंय तो मार्केट लायता. आनी थंय सगळे भाशेचें जेवण पळय, सगळे भाशेचें जेवण. सोरपोतेल, सान्नां, काबितेल, दुसरें चॉप्स आनी क्रोके आनीक कितें कितें तसलें जेवण सगळें गोंयकारांचें जेवण दवरता. म्हणजे विकतें तें. धाकटें धाकटें इस्टॉलां आसता. गांवचे लोक खंयचे लोक ते थंय इगोर्जेच्या आदारार ते इस्टॉलां घालता. बेस्ट. आनी मेन थिंग कितें, तो आमचे कोंकणी प्रमोट करता. गमलें न्ही. तो आतां तेदूच तेणें हें दवरलेलो आल्फेरोजाची. कोणेंय वचून म्हणूंक जाता आल्फेरोजाची सॉंग. तशेंच तें जेवण इतलें करता. आनी तो व्हडलें चड आनी चड ताका वाखणटा. कित्याक तेणें आमची परंपरा, वर्ल्ड परंपरा जिती दवरल्या म्हणून. कित्याक कोणेंच करूंक ना अजून हें. आनी आतां आमची न्यू फ्युचर जनरेशन पळय आसतली न्हू, तें कांयच गमचें ना. आमच्या पुर्वजांनी कितें करून हाताले ते तुका ते बिस्किटी हाय नासले. आमचे शापाय फादर ग्रँडफादर ग्रेट ग्रँडफादर ते कितें खावन येयल्या. बिस्किटी न्हू, पिझ्झा न्हू. तेन्ना बिस्किटी पिझ्झा बाकाय नासले. ते कितें खावन येयल्या पळय, ते कोयलोय म्हणून कोत्ताले. तुमी जाणा आसतले. अशी तोयाचेर मरे भाकरी कशी ती, पूण सॉफ्ट सारकी. पोव कसो. एक सायडीन काळी, एक सायडीन धोयी. काला और गोरा म्हणटा तशी. ताका म्हणटा कोयलोयो. आनी त्यो रोस घालताले, नाल्लाचो रोस काडून आनी गोड घालून तितून घालताले. तितून घातले ताका कितें म्हणटाले, रोसांतल्यो कोयलोल्यो. तुमी हाडल्या जाल्यार नको. थोडे आसतले तुमी हाडल्या, पूण आतांच्या भुरग्यांक नशीब ना ते मेवपाक. दुसरें पातोयो. पातोयो म्हणटा कोत्ता. दुसरें पुडे म्हणून कोत्ता. गमलें न्हू ते. आनीक शिरवयो काडटाले. असो शेवगो गुंवयता मरे असो. आनी तितूंतले बारीक शिरवयो पडटा. तितून चून आनी गोड मिक्स करून घालून ते खावप. ते शिरवयो आतां मेवता थोडो शॉपांनी कोत्ता. पूण ह्यो दुसऱ्यो वस्तू आहा पळय, जशें गोडशें. आल्फेरोजाचें कांतार आहा. मागीर गोडशें करून दवरताले, आपूण येवन खातालो आनी अशें तशें म्हणून. तें गोडशें अन्न. आनी आमी खाताले तेन्ना तुका ती व्हडली खाना नासली. ही आतां बिस्किटी पळय न्हू. बिस्किटी खाल्ल्यार आतांच्या भुरग्यांक कितें जाला तें मेवना न्हू. कित्याक आतांचे पेरंट्सूय नको तें करूंक. सगळे ऑफिसर आनी हें तें सगळें कोणाक टायम ना तें करपाक. म्हण ते भुरग्यांक कितें खावयता, बिस्किटी खावयता. बिस्किटी इज व्हेरी बॅड, यू नो. एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ बिस्कीट. तितून शुगर वाडटा. आनी आतां तुमी पळयलां आसतलें यंग भुरग्यांक पासून डायबेटीक आसा. कित्याक? बिकॉज ऑफ दीस. दुसरें पिझ्झा. पिझ्झान कितलीं दुयेंसां जाता जाणा तुमी. आनी ते कितें घालता तें घालता तुमी जाणा. देखून आतांचे ते भुरगे कित्याक रोखडीच आमचें लायफ उणें आनी हें जाता, दुयेंत पडटा. बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट. बिस्किटी, चिप्स खावपाचेच न्हू. भुरग्यांक पासून चिप्स दिवपाचे न्हू. आनीक पोटान घोट जाता सारकें. आनीक पिझ्झाय खावपाचे न्हू. पूण तें आमचें कोण करून दितलो तांकां. गोडशें, पातोयो, कोयलोयो, तेन्ना तांदळाच्यो भाकऱ्यो करताले. हें सगळें कोण करतलो. आदलें पारंपारीक तें. आनी हें सगळें आमचे बाब मारियोस गोंयचो फेस्ताकार तो दाखयता. आतां तो पत्तो हें करता. आमचे आंब्याचें फेस्त म्हणून करतलो नेक्स्ट थर्सडे. दुसऱ्या बिरेस्तारा आंब्याचें फेस्त. सगळे डिफरंट टायप ऑफ आंबे आनी आंब्याचें लोणचें. सो हांव ताका काळजांतल्यान दिनवासता आनी थँक्यू म्हणटा. कित्याक तो आमची गोंयची परंपरा तो दाखयता म्हणून सगळें. गोंयचें जेवण, तसोच तो कोंकणीचो मोगी आनी तो तियात्रिसांची एक एक दीस कांतारां दवरता एक एक कार्यावळ. आतां काल ते दीस जाली ती आल्फेरोजाची आहली आनी तेका सपोर्ट दिला आमची मॅडम डॉक्टर गोवालीन. सो ती हेड ऑफ कार्मेल कॉलेज. सो ती येदी व्हडली हे वेल क्वॉलिफायड डॉक्टर जावन आय एम व्हेरी मच सरप्रायज. ती कितें बेस्ट कांतार म्हणटा जाणा तूं आनी गिटार वाजोवन आनी हें करून व्हेरी बेस्ट आनी कोंकणी कांतारां म्हणटा सारकी टू गूड आनी शी इज वन ऑफ द आमची गोंयच्या फेस्ताकारान ती दोगांय म्हणून हें प्रमोट करता आमचें. देखून तांकां दोगांयकूय हांव सॅल्यूट करता. थँक्यू मॅम एंड थँक्यू बाब मारियूस गोंयचो फेस्ताकार. म्हणून तेजो तुमकां एकूच तुमी सगळ्यांनी वयचें ब्रेस्तार तो थिंगा करता आनी तुंय आमचो येयल्लो ते दीस येयल्लो आमचो बाब ऑनरेबल प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ पेंजी म्युनिसिपालिटी बाब रोहित मुनसरात तो आहलो आनी तो पळोवन इतलो हें जालो जाणा तूं इतलो हॅपी जालो. तो बसून बरी कांतारां आयकतालो हांवें पळयलां ताका आनी मागीर ते जेवणां पळोवन सारको हॅपी जालो. आनी तेणें आतां प्रॉमीस केलां आमच्या गोंयच्या फेस्ताकाराक कितें बाब मारियूसाक आपूण पणजे हो शो घाल म्हणून. आनी तेणें डोनेशन म्हणजे तेणें सांगलां आपूण फ्री स्पेस प्रोवायड करता म्हणून. कित्याक आमचे सगळे गांवचे लोक पळय न्हू जशे तालिगांव कारांजाले मिरामार पणजे मेर्शे सांताक्रूज रिबांदर हे सगळ्या लोकांक तूं येवपाक आपूण फ्री प्लेस करता म्हणून तुमी ऑर्गनायज हें करा म्हणून. आनी वगत येयला तो फूल ऑर्गनायजूय करपी तो दॅट आय कॅनॉट टेल बट तेणें ऑलरेडी प्रॉमीस केला आमचो मारियूसाक बाब तेणें तो फ्री स्पेस दवरता म्हणून. थँक्यू बाब मुसरात बाब रोहित थँक्यू व्हेरी मच फॉर युअर कोऑपरेशन. एंड तशीच मॅडम गोवालीन फॉर हर ऑल्सो आय थँक. आनी गोंयचो फेस्ताकार तुमी म्हाका आपयलो आनी मान दिलो म्हणून हांव तुका काळजांतल्यान दिनवासान थँक्यू म्हणटा. बट दुसरें तो आमचो बाब मारियूस गोंयचो फेस्तेकार तेणें आमचे घुमट पळय आहा न्हू ते आमी घुमट वाजयताले पळय मातयेची आनी ताका चामडे आसता डमा करून चडशे पयलीं काजरांक ती घुमटां वाजयताले. आतां ते बँडां वाजयता व्हडलीं. पयलीं घुमटां वाजोवन मांडे म्हणून काजरां सोबयतालीं. ते आमची गोंयची परंपरा. तेणें प्रपोज केलां एक वर्ल्ड ऑर्गनायजेशन कितें आहा रिकॉग्नेशन मागलां आमचे गोंयकारांचे घुमट म्हणून. पूण तितून मदें खंय कोण आनी कर्नाटकाचे येयल्या ते म्हणटा खंय आपणाचे आनी कोण दुसरोच गांव खंय मध्य प्रदेश खंय तरी ते म्हणटा घुमट आमची परंपरा. मदें महाराष्ट्राचे येयल्या खंय ते सांगता घुमट आमचें हें म्हणून. हेणें प्रूफ दाखयलें म्हणटा आपणें आनी तेणें ताका कन्विन्स केलें ते वर्ल्ड कितें तरी ऑर्गनायजेशन आहा ताका आनी थंयसरसून आमकां रेकॉग्नायज जावन येवपाचें आहा घुमट फकत गोंयकारांचें म्हणून परंपरा. थँक्यू मारियो बाब गोंयचो फेस्ताकार. दुसरें तो न्यू भुरग्यांकूय तयार करता. आतां तेणें पयर चेडवांचे गर्ल्स म्युजीक तयार केलां गिटार आनी सगळें शिकून सगळें एट द एज ऑफ 16 इयर्स चेडवांचो ग्रूप केला बँड एंड ऑल. फाटीं तसो कार्मेल कॉलेजीन एक व्हडलो प्रोग्राम केल्लो कितलेच चेडवांचोच प्रोग्राम चलो गर्ल्स आनी अशें तशें अशें आनी तो प्रमोट करता आनी तेजे बँडूय आहा तेजे डिफरंट हें करता आनी मेन करता म्हणटा तो आमचें ओल्ड परंपरा जशें आंब्यांचें फेस्त दुसरें रांदपाचें जेवणाचें आनी तें सगळें दाखयता जें आमच्या आतांच्या पिळगेन पळोवंक ना तें तो दाखयता देखून ताका बालर म्हणटा.
टॅलंटेड आर्टिस्ट आसा वेलोश्का वेलकम. आमच्या हांगा फेस्ताचो मुस्काचें फेस्त हो कलापूर गांव जो आसा तो कलेचो गांव म्हणजे मल्टी टॅलंट आसा हांगा म्युझिशियन्स आसा कळ्ळें. सो आमी हाका मुस्काचें फेस्त केलां आनी हे मुस्काचें फेस्त पळय आसा ताका
daughter of our famous composer Bob Edwin Costa. She is a multi-talented girl. Even she is acting in the movies and she is a good tabla player also.
आणि तांकां ह्यो टिचर्स एंड ऑल तांकां सपोर्ट सिस्टम आनी कितें जाता आमच्या सोसायटीक तुवें पळयलां आसतलें unless somebody is in my family disabled person people are not sensitized to their issues. And what we felt, Marius and myself, that it should be a fest of inclusion. All people should come, join. And persons with disabilities, all should come together, and their skills we should know, our skills we should show them, and it should be a coming together. So I am glad to see you here today. Tell me now.
She is the daughter of famous Kantorist amcho Bob Edwin De Costa.
I do as much as I can.
She is acting in movies also, and she is talented girl. Her name is Veloska Da Costa, daughter of Edwin De Costa, famous Kantorist.
Get someone else involved.
She is also a good tabla player.
It means a lot to me. Being a person of the soil, and there's something that I would like to give back to my state in every way. But besides this, and besides being a part of this, I'm also a sensitive human by myself. I am a creative person, but besides that, I'm also studying psychology. And this is something that has, I think, actually drawn me towards this more.
Madam Veloska Da Costa, daughter of Edwin De Costa.
Muscatia Fest of persons with disabilities is going on.
I actually came to know through Marius, and I'm aware of his fest and everything going on. But then I saw that he's doing something with Muscatia Fest. Firstly, Muscatia, because I'm associated with music. Rhythm. Music runs in the blood with my father, with my family.
Just tell their names.
Yes, I'm a very proud daughter. My father is Antonio Edwin De Costa, popularly known as Edwin De Costa, and he has his own production of music and music albums. So I've taken up a little bit of the step to go ahead with music, and I also act in films, in Goan films.
I saw you since you came here, you have been all, attention to these kids. I saw that, that sensitized heart. You can always feel. I was very proud of you.
Thank you so much. It means a lot. And it's more than...
Hi, Mr. Mario Fernandez.
Welcome.
Yeah, this is going to Festacar. Wow. I am very grateful too, because you have promoted our Alfred Rose song.
Alfred Rose,
yeah, great Alfred Rose. Yeah, thank you once again. Right from the bottom of my heart, I thank you. And I heard a lot about you, about going to Festacar. You're famous.
I'm happy that you've come, because we had Pilan today, the Pilan Heritage Market.
Yeah.
And then here, Dr. Gladys is rocking with Alfred Rose songs.
Yeah, right.
All these people you see here today are all from all over Goa.
Yeah.
And if we do not save our culture and heritage, there is nobody else.
Yeah, I salute you, because you are आमची कोंकणी तू सारखी वयर काडटा म्हणून तुका काळजांत Yeah, right.
Yeah. I'm happy that you come to Braganza.
Yeah, thank you.
We hope to see you again.
Yeah, I'm always there with you. Don't worry. Once again, thank you very much. Okay, take care.
Hello everyone. We have with us now Braganza, who's come all the way from Banjim, Miramar, and we welcome you to the Pilan Thursday Heritage Market. So what is your viewpoint about the Thursday Heritage Market? How do you feel the vibe? The proportion display, how are you?
I'm first of all, I'm very much grateful to Festacar, going to Festacar. He's a famous thing, and he is from, so he is the person who is आमची कोंकणी भास तो वयर काडटा. So that's why I salute him, really. And though means whoever is having the contribution in Konkani, so it's like our Konkani family, Goan Konkani family, I feel. Because I'm also doing small videos in Konkani. I'm not a big thing, but जे कोण पळय कोंकणी उलयता आनी कोंकणी आमची प्रमोट करता न्हू, that's our family. And this आमचो मिस्टर मारियो, and तेजो सारको फेमस तो गोंयचो फेस्ताकार म्हणल्यार सगळे हेचे सगळे वखद ते कोण तियात्री सगळेच वखद तेका. So I salute him, because he has organized, and आमचो Alfred Rosacho जेन्ना पळय तुवें केलो न्ही गो Alfred Rosacho आमचो, I really salute you, because Alfred is the only person, first Goan you can say, Tollo Munis ह्या पयलीं जावंक ना, and in future I think it is very difficult Tollo Munis जावपाक. तेजो sound कितें पळय, wow सारकोच wave like सारको, and he knew where to break suddenly. But best song, best, he was a good singer, and I have no words to appreciate him. So once again I thank you. Market.
So what do you think about this market?
Yeah, market ma'am, you have done nice organization, because all sort of Goan products are there. So
sausages, sorbotes, all these things. Really, it's our Goan culture.
And it's an inclusive market where we have differently able communities, marginalized communities, and Mother Derek Fernandez is supporting the local vendors, and with the help of Women of Festacar, promoting Goan heritage and traditions, which is very important that we pass on to the younger generations. Again,
आदल्या तेंपार आमी पळय आमची मामी डॅडी पातोळ्यो करताले आनी पुळे म्हणून करताले. ऑफकोर्स सान्नां म्हणून तूं करता, सान्नां सोरपोतेल करतात, पूण ते आनी दुसरे कोयलोय म्हणून करताले. आय डोंट नो वेदर यू नो तेन्ना भाकऱ्यो करताले, पूण वेल नाव ऑल बिस्कीट येयला बारकेतून. आतां ते कोण भुरग्यांक खबर पासून ना ती पयलीं आमची मा.
This is very important, you know, for the younger generation. You know, and my grandmother always made it very important that we should carry on the tradition.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
And I am also grateful to you also, Doctor, because you are promoting this. And सगळे आमचे आदले पळय सगळे तुवें दाखयलें न्हू, हिंगा सगळे आमचे जेवणां करून दाखयलें. दुसरें हांव व्हिडिओ काडला, आय विल पब्लीश ते, पूण तो बरें तुवें केलें अशें. सो आय थिंक इन फ्युचर ऑल्सो वी शूड डू दिस टायप ऑफ थिंग.
Sou mai dulce amore, sou mi dai amore, tu sposo con Anybody to accept the challenge to name the fruits? Right. Chiku? Okay, she's named 4. Anybody to beat that?
Banana chips na.
Where did you see?
Okay. I think we have a winner. What's your name? Sydney. Sydney is the winner for guessing the name of all the fruits, the berries that are present on that table. Can you name them again for everybody? Yes. Please put your hands together for Sydney, everybody. And I call Johnny to give away this gift to Sydney. This boy. Please put your hands together for Sydney, everybody. Thank you. Over to you, Dr. Glenn.
Okay. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, everybody.
Okay, my nearest had been to Kenya. Would you like to share some of your experiences in short?
Yes, Kenya, but I'll just talk about Alfred Rose. In those days, there was no TV, there was no internet, there was no phones, nothing. With letters, my mom used to write to Alfred Rose and got him to come and perform the first ever theatre in Europe. Year was 9th of March 1986. At that time, the audience were goings, but all from East Africa, Nairobi, from Kampala, and all that part of the world. There were 3 full houses, over 1,000 people per show. So then we had to open the door. And I'm happy that Glenys, my friend, she's not only a professor, but a great singer, musician from Kabul College. And with her, we have done one of the best from the Muscatia Fest. So this book is going to be a great memory, and you'll be seeing I'm going to film up reading this book. Yeah? So thank you very much, everybody, and please support this market. And thank you, Father, for giving it to me.
I forgot one more personality who is
Tunggu
a sustainable travel and lifestyle influencer. Her Instagram handle is explorer.hina. She's there. Hina, please wave for everybody. She makes postcards on 100% recycled paper. And also,
you'll fry mine. No?
Also, and her beautiful jewelry. She's there. That is Hina. Please put your hands together for both our guest vendors. Thank you, everybody. Over to you, Sagar. Also, there is another stall, Delgado Academy, and we have a lot of books and Rose Blooms is available there. And Ankush is there. He's there. Wave your hand, Ankush. That is Delgado Academy. Please put your hands together for that. Thank you.
सगळ्यां तुमकां येवकार आमी ल्हानशी मुलाखत आमी ग्लेनिस मोक्सा. When I came across this book, which is at present staying at the bookstall, I in fact immediately had have one Thursday market dedicated to Alfred Rose. So I contacted various. And Marius immediately contacted Dr. Gladys. I thought she was from Margao. She teaches in Kamal College because I'm from Chhatrapati. So I was thinking it may be far for her to come from all the way from Margao. But I was happy to know that she is from Moira, from Bardip itself. So we welcome Dr. Gladys. And once again, I appreciate your hard work put in this book, The Rose Blooms, which is the study of the lyrics of Alfred. So tell me, Dennis, what inspired you to go for this difficult venture? कितें तुका उत्तेजन जालें?
I will use Konkani and English. Alfred Rose कोंकणीचो मोगी आसलो, so I will speak half in Konkani and half in English. I am a professor in fact I'm heading the Department of English at Kamal College for Women in UN. Research has ever since I have done my PhD. Alfred Rose's lyrics म्हाका कित्याक हो टॉपिक कसो सुचलो म्हळ्यार I had been invited many times as a judge, as a musician, as a person who is into music and singing for many years. एक जज कसो जावं गोंयचो आवाज, हेराल्ड गोंयचो आवाज, हाका जजिंगाक वयताले ऑल गोवा लेवल कॉम्पिटिशन्सांक. आनी हांवें पळयलें की जे कंटेस्टंट्स आसात, द कंटेस्टंट्स वूड टेक मोर देन 60% ऑफ songs were from Alfred Rose and Rita Rose. So that is where a thought triggered in my mind: why are people taking these songs for competitions and for different events, for parties and things like that? And majority of them are from Alfred Rose. So there has to be something in this man and his compositions and his lyrics which trigger that interest in people, and that is what made me lead to this investigation, into this research. And he was Sodvaur Yuzon asli Delgado Konkani Academy chin त्याच वेळार म्हाका Tomazini Cardozo and also the fact that how he is bringing in a lot of culture ethos into his lyrics and making them so everlasting. Nowadays the composers, if they are fastest composers, quickest composers, whatever composers, but we don't even sing their songs. But why are we singing these songs? He's going to complete almost 20 years after his death and we are still singing his songs. So that is the reason these were some of the hurdles, documentation basically.
Okay, thank you. Now the contents of this book, they list some of the themes of Alfred Rose, like some themes are on towards saints, towards women, then
Okay, good say for you, everybody.
Cantorița palcato Lota cavol cotano Malcar cadera coru Loca tusha tutano Dori morsas al pasa Aucido soe coru Malcar cadera cotana Amastato bonzano Doctora Singenia Obra, Origacho Sukashera, Garia Chokensa Salamoro, Salendo